Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best synthetic oils for 2025. If you're looking to upgrade your vehicle's performance and engine protection, we've got you covered with top recommendations that will keep your engine running smoothly. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So let's get started. Number 5. Royal Purple 51020 Synthetic Motor Oil. If you're looking for top-tier performance and protection for your engine, Royal Purple 51020 Synthetic Motor Oil might just be the solution you've been searching for. This high-performance synthetic motor oil comes in a convenient 5-quart bottle and is API licensed, meaning it meets the industry's highest standards. This motor oil meets SAE 0 W20 standards, making it perfect for modern gasoline and diesel engines. This oil is engineered to optimize engine performance while providing superior protection. Whether you're worried about engine wear, fuel efficiency, or even protecting the catalytic emission systems, Royal Purple has got you covered. It helps reduce wear and tear, increases fuel efficiency, and prolongs the life of your engine. And if you're concerned about the ethanol content in fuel, no need to worry. Royal Purple improves compatibility with ethanol-containing fuels, ensuring that your engine performs at its best, regardless of the fuel mix. Another fantastic feature is its superior corrosion protection. Whether you're driving through extreme heat, cold, or wet conditions, this oil keeps your engine safe from rust and corrosion, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. It combines premium base oils with advanced formulations to create a high-performance motor oil that exceeds industry standards. Royal Purple is also fully compatible with both mineral and synthetic oils, making it easy to upgrade during your vehicle's scheduled oil change. Number 4. Valvoline 4-stroke motorcycle synthetic oil. Valvoline 4-stroke motorcycle full synthetic SAE 20 W50 motor oil is formulated specifically for the demanding needs of 4-stroke motorcycles. Whether you're cruising through the city or tackling challenging winding roads, this oil is designed to handle it all. It comes in a convenient 1-quart bottle with a case of 6, ensuring you have the oil you need for multiple changes. One of the standout features of Valvoline 4-stroke motorcycle synthetic oil is its superior wet clutch protection. This means smooth shifting and maximum power transfer, giving you a more responsive ride every time you hit the road. No more worrying about rough gear changes or sluggish acceleration. With Valvoline, you get smooth shifting and peak performance. Valvoline's advanced additives are crafted to maximize power while minimizing wear. They reduce stress on critical moving parts, ensuring your engine stays in top shape, even under the toughest conditions. The oil resists film breakdown, which is essential for protecting your engine's internal components. Plus, Valvoline's cleaning agents fight sludge and harmful deposits, keeping your engine efficient and powerful for longer. In addition to improving engine performance, this oil also provides protection against rust, corrosion, and acid buildup, which can damage your engine over time. It prevents foaming and maintains optimal oil flow, so your engine stays well lubricated and protected ride after ride. Number 3. Motul Synthetic Oil. Motul 300V Factory Line 10W40 Full Synthetic Motor Oil is designed to provide unmatched power, protection, and reliability for high-performance 4-stroke motorcycles. Whether you are racing on the track or cruising on the streets, this oil ensures that your engine operates at peak performance. It's the oil you need for both competitive and recreational racing environments. The secret behind Motul 300V's superior performance lies in its advanced ester core technology. This cutting-edge formula provides exceptional film strength and shear resistance, making it ideal for high-pressure and high-temperature conditions. Whether you are pushing your engine to its limits during a race or simply cruising on a hot day, this oil protects your engine from damaging deposits and excessive wear. Motul 300V Factory Line 10W40 is specifically formulated for high-performance, 4-stroke motorcycles, ensuring flawless operation under tough conditions like high RPMs and extreme heat. Whether your motorcycle is air or liquid-cooled, this oil adapts perfectly to maintain consistent performance and smooth shifts. You can trust it to deliver stable and reliable power in any riding environment. This motor oil is certified to meet JSOMA2 and a PISN standards, ensuring top-tier performance. For the best results, always follow your motorcycle manufacturer's oil change recommendations. If you're racing, consider changing the oil after every event to keep your engine in top condition. Number 2. LIQUIMOLY High-Tech SAE5 W30 Synthetic Oil. LIQUIMOLY High-Tech SAE5 W30 Synthetic Oil is the premium solution for those who want to keep their engines running smoothly and efficiently. This fully synthetic oil is designed to offer long-lasting protection, reduce engine wear, and maximize fuel efficiency. It's the perfect choice for both everyday driving and high-performance vehicles. The SAE stands for the Society of Automotive Engineers, which set the standards for oil performance. The 5W indicates that this oil performs exceptionally well in low temperatures, meaning it flows smoothly even in cold conditions. The 30 represents its high-temperature viscosity, ensuring excellent protection and sealing under heat. This combination makes it an ideal choice for year-round use in varying climates. What truly sets LIQUIMOLY apart is its unique MFC chemical friction modifier. This cutting-edge, highly efficient organic tungsten compound works to reduce contact friction, fill in fine wear marks, and smooth friction surfaces. The result? Reduced engine wear, lower friction resistance, and better fuel efficiency. Independent tests have shown that LIQUIMOLY can reduce the friction coefficient by up to 15%, helping your engine last longer, operate more smoothly, and improve fuel economy. LIQUIMOLY High-Tech SAE5 W30 synthetic oil performs exceptionally well in both hot and cold climates. Its advanced formula helps reduce engine wear, and its fuel efficiency benefits make it a cost-effective choice for daily commuters or high-performance vehicles. Number 1. Factory Racing Oil 209,907 Twin Pack. The Factory Racing Oil 209,907 Twin Pack is a premium solution that provides your engine with long-lasting protection and improved fuel economy. This fully synthetic oil comes in two 2.5-gallon bottles for a total of 5 gallons, making it easy to store, pour, and handle. It's designed to protect your engine up to 20% longer than standard synthetic oils, meaning fewer oil changes up to 7,500 miles between changes without compromising performance. This oil is formulated with premium additives that safeguard your engine, specifically engineered to combat low-speed pre-ignition, or LSP, which can cause serious damage to modern engines. It's perfect for both traditional and start-stop engines, providing durability for critical components such as crankshafts and rod bearings. The Factory Racing Oil 209,907 is designed to ensure quicker flow during startup, which not only protects your engine from the very first moment, but also improves your vehicle's fuel efficiency. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating through stop-and-go traffic, you'll get the maximum mileage out of every drop of oil. This oil meets the highest standards for engine protection and performance. It is certified as an AP, ISP, and ILSA CGF 6AA, which are industry-leading certifications for fuel-conserving oils. Plus, it's produced in an ISO 9001 2015 quality certified facility here in the United States, ensuring you're getting a product of the highest quality. And there you have it, the 5 best synthetic oils for 2025. Whether you're focused on fuel efficiency, engine longevity, or performance, these oils are guaranteed to deliver. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive tips and reviews. Thanks for watching.